Mobile Mac here again. How to tell if your alternator is bad. This is a standard alternator. Two good ways to tell if an alternator is bad is if you can spin this pulley easily. I mean very easily to the touch. Just like that. A new one will have a little bit more tension on it. It'll take a little more to turn it. Also, you can test them using the meter. If it's putting out about 14 volts, that's good. That's what it's supposed to put out. If you turn your headlights on, your radio on, heat, air, and it drops the volts down to 11, 10, sometimes even 9, then you know your alternator is going bad. And when the volts are that low, that means your engine is basically running off of the battery. And sooner or later, it will kill your battery. And then you'll have two problems on your hands. Mobile Max Shop.